if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 equation and ax square plus bx plus c no 0 expression. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 equation, not no 0 expression, and a comma b comma c are complex numbers. A comma c comma b are complex numbers. Any complex number. Clear. Next one, b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, and most important, b square minus 4ac, nature of roots. Directly nature of roots. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Real number and same roots. Real and roots are same. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Perfect square. Perfect square. Rational. Perfect square means rational roots. Rational and different roots. Not perfect square. Not perfect square means irrational. Both are real, both are real. Irrational and different. And finally, b square minus 4ac less than 0. Imaginary. Imaginary numbers. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to real and same. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Perfect square rational numbers and different. Not a perfect square irrational and different. And this is the nature of a roots. And this is nature of a roots. And small condition. X equal to sum of roots ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And sum of roots means k. K is any constant term. X minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. Both equal. Ax square plus bx plus c. K is any constant value, no problem. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. K is any constant, no problem. And divide by a. X square plus b by a into x plus c by a. Here direct here divide by a. Divide by a means x square plus b by a into x c by a equal to 0. Clear. Both small x square coefficients, no problem, both are equal. So b by a equal to minus of alpha plus beta. Next one, c by a equal to alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta equal to c by a. Clear cut. Sum of roots and product of roots. Sum of roots minus b by a, product of roots c by a. And next one, and most important, diagrams. A greater than 0, delta greater than or equal to 0. Next one, A greater than 0, delta greater than 0. Sorry, delta less than 0. Next one, A greater than 0, delta greater than 0. A greater than 0, delta greater than or equal to A greater than 0, delta greater than A greater than 0, delta less than 0. Same position or upward position, A greater than, position or downward, A less than. Clear cut. A less than delta greater than 0, and next A less than delta greater than or equal to 0, and say A less than delta less than 0. Upward A greater than, downward A less than, clear cut. Single touching greater than or equal to, double touching greater than 0, no touch less than 0. And this is small graphs of quadratic equations. And next one, most important cube roots of unity. Most important cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity means, what is the meaning of cube roots of unity? First of all, suppose x equal to some value. Cube root, remember that one. Cube root, what is the meaning of cube root? Cube root means power 1 by 3. Unity means 1. X equal to 1 power 1 by 3. X equal to 1 power 1 by 3. Cube on both sides. X power 3 equal to 1 by 3 whole power 3 cancel automatically. X power 3 equal to 1. Plus shifted to left hand side. X power 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Suppose power 1 power 1 by 3 1, 1 power 3 1, 1 power 101, 1 power n. Any value, answer equal to 1. X power 1 power 3 minus AQ minus BQ formula. What is the formula of AQ minus BQ? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Remember that one. AQ minus BQ. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Same condition. X minus 1. X square plus X plus 1. X minus 1. AQ minus BQ equal to 0 means X minus 1 into X square plus X plus 1 equal to 0. So X equal to 1. X square plus X plus 1 equal to 0. According to minus B plus R minus square root of B square minus 4AC by minus B plus R minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Then X equal to minus 1 plus R minus root 3I by 2. Okay. Omega equal to minus 1 plus root 3I by 2. Omega square equal to minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. X equal to 1. W equal omega square. What is the cube roots of unities? 1 omega square. X power 1 by X power 3. 1 power 1 by 3. Clear cut. AQ minus B cube, A minus B to square plus AB plus B square. X square plus X plus 1 minus B plus R minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2 minus 1 plus R minus root 3I by 2. Plus means omega minus means omega square. What is the 3 roots? 1 omega square. Clear cut. And more important and useful proof.